My name is Rira Siregar and I'm from 6th grade in Ailadi, Pakjo, Palembang. Today I'm going to bring a fairy tale with the title Little Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time, there was a sweet little girl. People called her Red Riding Hood. Do you know why she's called Little Red Riding Hood? Does anybody know? Because she is a Red Riding Hood. One day her mother asked, "Dear, can you bring this basket of cake to your grandmother? Inside it's got bread, butter, cake, and berries. Your grandmother's feeling ill. I hope this can make her feel better." "Yes, mother." Little Red Riding Hood lived in a small village near a big forest, and her grandmother lived an hour way into the big forest, so she set off. On her way, she met a wolf. The wolf seemed harmless, so she didn't care. They talked for a while, then eventually Little Red Riding Hood slipped away and told the wolf that she was going to her grandmother's house. The wolf asked, "You should pick up those flowers for your grandmother. They look pretty." Little Red Riding Hood thought that her grandmother would be delighted to receive some beautiful flowers, so she picked them up. Despite remembering her mother's advice, she kept picking up flowers. While she was picking up flowers, the wolf rushed to her grandmother's house and tricked the grandmother into letting him in. He hid the grandmother inside a closet and took its nightgowns. As Little Red Riding Hood arrived, she came in and thought that her grandmother looked different. She asked, "You look strange today, Grandma. What big ears you have?" The wolf answered, "To hear you better, dear." Little Red Riding Hood asked again, "What big eyes you have, Grandma?" The wolf replied, "To see you better, dear." Then finally, Little Red Riding Hood asked, "What big sharp teeth you have, Grandma?" The wolf replied, "To eat your letter." Little Red Riding Hood ran and screamed on the top of her lungs. The wolf was scared, so he ran away. Then Little Red Riding Hood freed her grandmother from the closet, then promised to herself never ever to talk to strangers ever again. So the moral that we can get from the story is, never talk to strangers, because they can be a wolf. That's all from me. Thank you so much for listening. I'm Rira. Bye-bye.